What is up, guys? Today is another beautiful day in Florida. Just kidding, it's like 57 and I'm actually kind of cold. And I know that sounds bad for saying it because it was just like -5 in KC and then it went up to 25 and I was like, man, this feels like heaven. But then I was experiencing 80 and now it's 57 outside and it's really cold. I was gonna do an intro where I side flipped in front of the camera into the pool. But yeah, it's way too cold to do that. It'll be for another time when I'm back up here. I'm here for 2 more days. Today we're going to a trampoline park and then doing something else later. If I don't get enough vlog footage today, it'll be merged with tomorrow. I know I always say that and it ends up being a full vlog, but it's more likely that it will be a full vlog in 2 days. Without further ado, welcome to my life.
Just something about you turns me to a savage. Savage. But pardon my manners, but something about you turns me to a savage. Savage.
My phone fell. Alright guys, we struck out to the trampoline park. It was way too busy. We wouldn't be able to get any good footage and really any good jump time anyways to do flips and stuff. So right now we're headed back. We're in a little bit of traffic. But I honestly don't know what we're going to do with this vlog today. So I mean, you guys will see because it'll be in the next clip, but I just don't know what's happening. So see you guys with whatever happens. Since we struck out at the gym trampoline place, we might go to another one later tonight. But right now we're set up as a bar in Adrian's back patio area. And we're doing a little bit of muscle up work on it. It's a little bit scary. So we put like these little weights here. We probably need more weight, but we have somebody stand there. Adrian just got his first muscle up with the band. So I'll show you guys some of that. But yeah, that's the plan for now. A little small workout.
Even when you're not around.
Did you watch my muscle up tutorial video? It's on YouTube. As you guys know, my muscle up isn't as strong as my banded muscle up like anybody else, but I'm a little scared to do it on here because it rocks so much. But we're gonna take a whiff at it. So let's check out this angle. Give you guys a little raise. There you go. Alright. Yeah, that's right. Bro. I don't know if I should do it like mine. Are you ready to push down? I'm scared.
You could have made it.
Don't do muscle ups like that.
You could have made it.
I know, but I got scared. I got some chicken nuggets over here I've been snacking on. Which angle would you guys like next? I know my face isn't the best angle, but ooh, let's get you right there.
Now I know what
Hi, shoot forward. Ooh, clean. Do another one. Drop right into it. Oh, give me 3. Oh! Oh, give me 4. Then get up straight like you did, remember? And shoot. So like pull. Oh! Oh, give me another one. Give me another one. Oh! Adrian, do you approve of my Crocs?
No.
Takes a while to tie those, doesn't it? Yeah, watch this. Ready to go. That's nasty. What? They're Crocs, they're great.
What you said. Attempt number 2 at going places. We're gonna try to go to this dog beach. It's not very sunny, but maybe it'll be cool and we'll see some cool dogs. I'm prepared for the trip with some goldfish.
You gotta stop eating.
I'm hungry, bro.
Why can't I eat them? Because they're unhealthy.
Yeah. This is day number 2 of driving with Adrian. We picked a perfect day to go to the beach. Look at it. Look at all that sun. Can anyone tell me why my phone doesn't load for a while when I try to give directions?
Because your gyros.
You see how cracked it is? I shut it in the door earlier when we went to the trampoline park. How do you shut your phone in the door? Bro. Lauren, are you okay? You guys okay though? That was a pretty big jump for you. Get ours on flat ground soon. My friend Anthony can do them, but I haven't hit my backflip flat yet. But it's coming soon. I get a lot of DMs on Instagram asking me how to do a backflip flat, or I've gotten a couple. And I don't really, oh, there's some dogs over there. Sorry, I got distracted. I don't know how to do one. Well, I know how to, I just haven't landed it flat. Going to a gymnastics class Wednesday, I think. I come back Monday.
In your touch, feel so enamored. Hold me tight within your clutch. How do you do it? You got me losing.
Just attempt to do the splits in jeans. It does not work. I don't have jeggings, but I have these. I thought they'd be flexible.
Losing every breath. Why did you give me to make my heart beat out my chest?
Guys, I do not understand why I'm so cold. We just came from Kansas City and it was -5, and then when it got up to 25, I was okay. It was like actually sort of warm. But right now it's like what, 57 or 55 or something, and I'm freezing. Why am I shivering? This is ridiculous.
I got you in my space. I won't let go again. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto
Hey guys, realize in outro this vlog, so I'm doing that right now while I'm editing. It's a little bit of a longer vlog, almost 11 minutes. But anyways, we're about to go to a calisthenics park later today. You guys won't see that in this vlog, but check out my next vlog, which will come out the day after this one. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Ocean. It's caused by a hurricane. Oh, he started. Dang, look at those glutes right there.
Ooh. I stepped on it.
What? Say that again?